Welcome to the flip through of my junk journal. I created this junk journal with the digital kit Victorian Dreams, which was made by Mindful Image. I printed it in black and white as that's what I have available at home, and used color with inks and the rest of the embellishment items. The clothespins have a charm on there that's luminous and I think matches beautifully with the theme of Victorian Dreams. And I used the hinge method for the binding. And if you are interested in purchasing this journal, just contact me, and I hope you enjoy the flip through. Thanks for watching.